And welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables here on your patio or other small space. This is my Razz blueberry bush, and I just wanted to show you the next stage. The flowers have started to fall off, the berries have been pollinated, and what you're going to see is this tiny little fruit. I don't know if you can see that there just on the end, that's going to slowly grow into a blueberry. Now you can see all the flowers here have been blooming and trying to pollinate, and when they do pollinate successfully, they fall down into the dirt to show you that they're ready to make some berries. I can show you the two stages here. See, this is actually one, I don't know, usually when they turn brown like that, that means it didn't pollinate. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna keep you posted. But you can see the one next to it. See that little blueberry fruit off the back? That's going to turn into a big, juicy blueberry this summer. I will keep you posted as it grows. Just wanted to give you a super quick update on how my Razz blueberry bush is progressing through this summer season.